Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by installing Caption Lite and granting mic and storage access so audio flows into the engine. Once done, open the app, select language and a caption preset to match your speech pattern. This guides accuracy. Then load your source file or press record to capture audio directly. Make sure to set sample rate and noise profile before recording. Lower noise yields cleaner transcripts. And keep sentences short while speaking to improve alignment and timing. Now you edit and sync, read through the raw transcript, trimming lines so each caption holds 1 or 2 clauses for readability. Use the waveform scrub and snapping grid set to 0. 5 seconds to align text to audio precisely. This reduces jumpy captions. Once text aligns, apply speaker labels and enable punctuation autocorrect so captions read naturally. If you need emphasis, bold or italicize only a few words. That preserves flow and avoids clutter on screen. Finish by exporting in the format you need. SRT or VTT for editors, or burned in MP4 for final delivery. Choose bitrate and resolution to match your project. Next, QA with a playback pass at 1, 5x to catch timing or typos quickly and fix any remaining lines. If captions still drift or contain errors, rerun the app's noise reduction and retranscribe the problematic segment. If that fails, record a short, clean voiceover and replace only that portion to save time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.